Hello dear students, in this video we are going to understand how we can register ourselves in the SOF Olympiad exam for this current session. Children, your class teacher must have shared the PDF along with the notice of SOF Olympiad exam which I have opened. Okay, so the first slide will look like this. Okay, when you will scroll down, the different slides give the information about the SOF Olympiad exam, like why to participate, how to prepare for the Olympiad, and how to apply. So you have to stop at this slide, and there is a link given for the student registration. This is the link. Okay, so you have to click on it, and this page will redirect you to the student registration form. Here we can see on the screen the form is open. Okay, now the we have to enter the details. Okay, so the first thing we have to enter is the school code that is given by SOF, that is UP 0871. Okay, this is the school code UP 0871. Next is school name, that is Army Public School, Fatehgarh. Next is complete school address, Army Public School, Fatehgarh, Kent area. UP. Pin code is 209601. Okay, so this one is going to be our school address. Next one is school phone, which is 7080667367. So the school phone number is 7080667367. Okay, next is, has your school participated in SOF exam earlier? That will be yes. Okay, next is our country, that is India. State Uttar Pradesh. City Fatehgarh. Pin code 209601. Name of principal, Mrs. Neetu Singh. School email, APS Fatehgarh @gmail.com. So the school email is apsfatehgarh@gmail.com. Next, you have to enter your name. Okay, in the student name you will enter your full name that is registered in your school. Next, you will mention your class. Let us mention the class 10. Okay, here is a gender, either you are male or female, you have to mention that. Next is your valid phone number. Children, this is your kind notice. Okay, you have to enter your valid phone number. Okay, because the important information like the dates for the exam and the other information for the SOF Olympiad will be given on your mobile phone number. So you have to mention that phone number which is always available with you. Okay, so here you will enter your phone number, and here you will enter the phone number again. This is your student email ID. Here you have to mention your parents' name, your home address, your pin code, country, and the state will be Uttar Pradesh. Okay, city will be Fatehgarh. City will be Fatehgarh. Okay, next, here is the list of examination that is for your current class. Okay, if you are in class 10th, so these are the list of examination in which you can participate, and each exam have 150 rupees fee. Okay, so the first one is GK exam. This one is English, this one is science, maths, cyber, SST. Okay, so each exam have 150 rupees registration fee. Okay, you can participate in more than one exam. Okay, you can participate in all the exams or any one or any two. Okay, now here are the information given about the e-books that you can purchase from the SOF. Okay, so children, here are the two ways given for the purchasing of book. Either you can purchase it in the online form, okay, in the e-books form, or you can buy the physical books. Okay, to buy the physical books, a cost of 50 rupees will be added towards the courier and handling charges. Okay, and you can buy the e-books from the SOF Olympiad site also. Okay, and you have to share the receipt, and the e-books will be sent to your registered email ID that you have entered above. Okay, this is the option for the e-books, and this one is the option for the physical books that will be couriered to your home address. Okay, first I have clicked on the above option, and you can see the list of books for the preparation of SOF Olympiad exam. Okay, the GK book cost 80 rupees, English cost 80 rupees, science cost 80 rupees. Okay, and all the books cost the similar rates. Okay, so this one is the list for e-books. This one is the price for e-books, and the reasoning book costs 200 rupees. So now I have opted for physical books. Okay, but the rates are same, but in the case of physical books, the 50 rupees extra charge will be asked for you. Now moving on, here is your order subtotal. Here is your order subtotal, in which all the price will be added up, like the price of the exams that you want to participate in. Okay, each exam carries 150 rupees registration fee. Okay, and the list of books that you are going to purchase. Like if you select these books, it will show in the added amount. Okay, at last you have to enter the CAPTCHA, that is the equation given to you, like mine is 18 plus 0, that will be 18. Okay, and then you have to submit. After submitting it, you will be asked for the payment. Okay, you have to pay the fees or whatever amount is asking. Okay, and when you will pay the fees, you have to take a screenshot of the transaction ID and the fee receipt. Okay, you have to make sure you take the screenshot of the transaction ID. So students, this is how you can register yourself in the SOF Olympiad exam for this current session. And if you face any doubt, any trouble during the registration, you can call on these two numbers. That is, first one is Shivam Chaturvedi sir and second one is Saurabh Singh Pal sir. Okay, these are the phone numbers given. We are available for you all the time. You can call us at any time. Okay, and you can clear your queries on this SOF Olympiad exam. Thank you.